Simple. To discuss about the WordPress. WordPress.com. Suppose if you have Gmail and Yahoo, before create what you're going for sign up. But you all at this time they will go for the login. But here I have to create the account. That is called go to for the get started. For any sign up with the WordPress, click for get started. After get started, they asking for your website structure for blog type or website type and grid view type. So, blog type, website type, portfolio type, and online store type. These are 4 ways. We are creating for 4 various kind of the categories. One is the blog type, website type, portfolio, and online store. Here we are selecting on the website type. Why we are creating for website, not for blog. So the reason start with the website. In this, after starting with the website, they're asking for the theme. What kind of theme you have to apply from this particular website? There is a WordPress. Here, 1, 2, 3. 3 themes are there. What is that? Harmonic, Erin, PQ. And now refresh. Theme was change. When you refresh, themes was change. Now, there. For suppose you not select any kind of themes. For suppose for not kind selectable any themes, that is called skip for now. Not selecting any themes. Going to the skip for now. Now they ask me about your domain name. I'm searching for interior designer HYD. Searching for interior designers HYD. So it's available. WordPress.com is available. Why? Because my name will be matched from the interiors. My name will be matching for interiors. Okay. Now, so they are showing for different packages, but you are agreeing for free WordPress, not for paid. So paid will be called only thing is they give the themes, extra activities, but free community support, WordPress subdomains, and for the free themes. Subdomain nothing but we can create a multiple website. We can discuss yesterday also. Multiple blogs we created. Same as one website.com we created for the multiple WordPress sites. Start with the free. Now here. Ask about Gmail and password. Now enter Gmail. Okay. Enter Gmail. But suppose Zalo exists account. They say him for login. They show him for error in the login here. Now he's not showing anything. So he's a accepted. Now entering password. So now entering a password here. So if you see your password, you click this for checking purpose. If you see the password, checking for this option. Now click for continue. Click for continue. Now, within a second of time, you are creating your account with the sign up. First, select your get started option. After, select your template. After that, select your theme. Fourth one will be domain selection and domain extension. Please write down. First one, sign up. Second one will be called template selection in a bracket layout. Third one, theme selection if interested, or skip for now. If interested, or skip for now. Fourth one, domain selection and domain extension. Domain will be called your particular relevant name. Domain extension will be called WordPress.com. Okay, after that, create your email ID, Gmail, username, password, sign up. Now, after that, they will send your mail into your mailbox. Go to the mailbox here, Gmail, open that. After sign up, you have to verify this email ID. Verify this email ID. Now, activation will be came. Now, confirm now. It's done your website. Okay, this is your WordPress websites. WordPress website. Very important. In your Blogger, we open for dashboard will be blogger.com. How to open WordPress dashboard? That is reason. Now copy this URL. After.com. What is that? After.com. Enter for the WP iPhone admin. Any website after.com they open for the WP iPhone admin. This is your dashboard. Website dashboard. Any WordPress website after.com they open with the WP iPhone admin. This is your dashboard. This is your dashboard. This is a WordPress dashboard. Now, one by one step we discuss. First, how to select a theme. First question, how to select theme. So here, this is a basic theme. Okay, this is your basic theme. Please write down point to point wise. Is easily understanding. So now go to the WordPress dashboard. The option call is appearance. The option call is appearance. In appearance, the option call is the themes. So clear? These are different themes. How many themes are there? 341 themes. Here, trending, popular, newest. Now, here free and premium. Free. How many themes are there? 129 themes. How many themes are there? 120. Here, very famous theme will be called Big Brother. This one. Famous will be called Big Brother theme. Why? Because it's a SEO friendly theme. We can select any kind of themes, but which is a SEO friendly theme, we select from the our website and blog. Now is the activate. What that theme will be called? Select with the Big Brother theme. Now click for activate. Done. Now previous like this. Now we will refresh. Now done this. Theme will be changed. Now first one write down how to change site icon. Here what is the icon will be there? W. I'm changing for this icon. Why? Because I need the my trending trademark. So go to the WordPress dashboard. Find where my please write down. Go to the WordPress dashboard. The option call is appearance. The option call is appearance. In the appearance, go to the customize option. Go to the customize option. In this customize, the option call is site identity. The option call is site identity. In the site identity, just go to the downline here. What is that? Site icon. Now select image into your desktop. So icon will be adding. Yeah, very important thing is every image we writing for two things. One is called title test and alt test. Please write down. Every image we writing for title test and alt test. Why? Title test will understand our website. Alt test understand your browser. See this. If I'm searching for both alt test and title test understand from your website. Alt test understand your browser. See this. If I'm searching for interior designers. Why? Because I'm doing the blog will be interior designers. Now click for images. Now these all images coming from interior designers. Why? The name will be included with the interior designer. Now click here. Save images. So is a download with the interior designers. So these are. Suppose I'm searching for interior designers in Hyderabad. Image will be changed. Yes or no? Why? Because the name will be included for the what is called interior designers in Hyderabad. So saying that every email you look adding for the title test and all test here. HSD is like I'm sure I get the name of her. Happy business select. Now done. Now save and publish. Previous what is called W. Now refresh. This change. Yes or no? Previous will will be called HSD. Now next question. How to change site title? How to change site title? Add website logo. How to change site title? Add website logo. Okay. Now here just go to the same WordPress dashboard. The option call is appearance. The appearance will be called customize. In a customize, same will be called site identity. In this site, here site title will be there. Interior designers. Whatever. So I'm writing for tagline. Okay, writing for appearance designers. After that, adding for my logo here. Add logo here. Select logo. Here, every mail writing for name here. All this will be called interior designers. And now done. I click for city logo. It's done. Marrying with the information and logo. After very important thing is just uncheck this box. Why? Because don't need for the two things. Any website like this. Only for logo, nothing else. Now here just uncheck. Logo also display. Now save and publish. But suppose now like this here. Now previous what is that here? Site title is there. Yes or no? Now refresh here. Very important for the title of your website. Now what is the title here? Here designers in Hyderabad, India designers in KBHP, India designers in Kukatpalli, Miyapur, Madhapur, Kondapur, different. Yes or no? Here, for suppose I give this option, for suppose, see this. Now will be like this. It's not for clear. Yes or no? For suppose the reason is uncheck this option and save and publish. This is a good for this website. Now clear? Logo, home, about and contact. This is the options available for the WordPress theme. Next one, write down how to add or remove pages and content. How to add and remove pages or content. See this here. Home, about, contact will be 3 minutes are there. Yes or no? 3 minutes are there. In home page, they're showing for first blog post. It's not for our relevant content. It's not for our relevant content. Okay. Here, very important. You go to the blogger dashboard. The option call is post. Step by step. Name Blogger dashboard. Go to the post. Every time post will be called home page. Pages will be called remaining pages. Here two things are there. One is the post. Second one is the pages. Post will be called number of pages. Only for home page. Page will be number of other pages. That is called, what is that? About, contacts, all will be called pages. Now home page, already page is there. We can delete or else we can edit also. Editable option is there. Is a trash, is a delete. Or else select here, move to trash. Suppose I'm suddenly delete this file, or suppose. See here, what is that? Simply watch here. All trash will be 0. Now come to trash here. This one, restore, apply. They will back. Suddenly you delete the file, they will be into the one place. They not go to the back. Suppose suddenly delete the file, no problem for the file. So clear? Now click for edit. So here say for blog post is there. First blog post. Remove this one. Remove this one. Now here, if add image will be called, what is that? Add media. So every image what you are writing for? One is called alt test and title test. You write down. Interior designers. So clear? This cover image. Here, what is that asking for? Every image, title test, caption, alt test, and description. Here, very important is alignment. Image will be called right column, center or left. I will go to the center. Now, somebody click image to they redirect to the website. This is my website. For this website, I'm creating for WordPress blog. Now here, link to custom URL. If anybody click this image, they redirect to the website. Now it will be called larger font. Insert into the post. Any image will be called add media. Suppose you are changing for alignment, just click this image. You are changing for edit option is there. Here. No alignment, everything. Left, medium, right, no alignment. No alignment will be called like this. Center. So after that, enter for this information. Now. Copy this one. Done. These are my information about this one. So every home page writing for the tags. This is the tags. Only home page will be strong on your website. Home page is not strong on your website. That will be called collapse from entire website. Home page will be getting for more strong. Here writing for interior designers, interior designs, designer, design, interiors, Kugarpalli, Konnapur, KPHP. So writing for like this, interior designers. Yeah. So after that, very important thing, the set future image. Future image will be help for the social media. Help for the social media posting for Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter. They are using for this future image. So this one. What is the cover image adding for? Same adding for this to the future image. Now click for update. But suppose this button is not available from your WordPress creating time. That is called your Gmail is not verified. When updating this file, this is not showing for the update file. That is called your Gmail is not verified. Now click for update. Now previous homepage will be called like that. Now refresh. Is it clear? Your number of tags, home page, and content, everything is there. Yes or no? This is very things. Next one, you can go the about. You can go for about. About is nothing is there. I've changed for this page. Where it is going for the pages about here. Yes or no? Now click for pages. Now here, about is there. Click for edit. Now click here. Okay. Here I'm writing for about us. About us. Now, first add media. What adding from your one related photo. Related photo. The image. So every mail, what you're writing for? What you're writing for? August and okay. Now what is that? Center alignment custom URL will be called direct into the website. This all will be creating for the backlinks. Now full size. Now click for inserting the image. Now image was inserted. Yes or no? But suppose image size is not acceptable. Just here click for edit here. Size. What is that? Custom size. Automatically increase from the height also. It doesn't. Now clear this information. Now after that, writing for information about this one. Done. So in a post we added for number of tags, but in a pages we not adding the any tags. Only for future image. Future purpose only for social media purpose. Done. Is about my we will click for update. Now previous about will be like this here. About will be like here. Now refresh. Done. Is about the about us information. Now here contact is there. What is that? Contact. See, they showing for name, email, website, comment. Not like that. Asking for name, email ID, mobile number, what is service required. Interior designer, architect. Both services are there. Interior designer, architect, and give the comment box. Now here, go to the pages. How to get a contact form information. Here already go to the contact edit here. Now delete first one. Complete delete here. Now add media. The image here. Okay. After that, what is that? Add contact form. Keep the add contact form here. See, all forms are there. Here it's same for website. It's not a website. Now click for edit here. Is the number. What is that? Number. Number will be just content. Why is the numeric is there? Is a required field. Without field, they not go to the next step. Next one is the comment is there. Just remove this. See. Services. I am clicking for drop down. What is that? Drop down. Interior architect is a required field. Next, query. It will be called test area. It will be called test area. Here, two things are there. Test area. This will be called only for related titles. Only for test area. It will be give the about information. In the previous, they are asking for only for two things. Here, for suppose you had editing this one, it will other also. In for other also required. Without this field, we can't go the submit option. Okay, it's done. After that, view the contact details. Now here, let's go to here. Just do that copy paste for the blog. You have to put paste onto the website. If any copy content that website to blog, don't do that one. Already yesterday discuss. If anything you have to creating from any kind of websites, based on that, don't copy for one website to another website. That is called copy stake. This is a copy content. Now you are creating is every information along with the Gmail address. Now set future email will be called our logo. It's done. This is for information about that one. Now updates. Now clearly just look into this. A previous like this. Now refresh. Now change logo, name, email, number, service. Drop down interior, architect, others. Query and this is the details. Is it clear? This is about the contact form. So how to create a extra pages already exist. I'm remove the content and add the content. Add the new pages. One is called add new page and add existing pages. Two options. One is called add pages from the when you click this page they open for the same page. When you click this page they redirect to the website. They read to the website. Now your home about us contact is there. Now I'm clicking for interior page. What is that? Interior page. Now go to the pages here. What is that? Add new page. Now, interior design. What is the page for? Interior design. Interior designs. Okay. Now, add media. Upload file. Select the files here. So every email we're writing for all this and title this. The latter you can write down. There's no time for two. I have to put in from everything is a one common. Interior design pages is just now common file is there. There will be interior designers. It's clear? All file I am writing from this file. Okay? All file will be selected. Okay? Now what is that? After that they will come into insert into pages. Done? Every image will be adding here. Okay? Every image will be adding here. This is adding for new page. I'm adding for new page here. Now what is that? Click for publish. Click for publish. Now come to your website, refresh. So I'm already creating pages here. Yes or no? What are the interior designs pages will be created? Where it is the page? The page is not active. Yes or no? We're adding the page, but it's not active. Write down how to activate pages. After creating a page, how to activate pages on WordPress blog. Okay. Now, same. Go to WordPress dashboard. In the WordPress dashboard, option called is appearance. In appearance, option called is the what is that? Menus. Option called is the menus. Here, just scroll down. What is that? Automatical add new top level is menus. Just click here and save menu. Okay. Now here, refresh. So this is the option will be done. Now here, look into this. Here, what is the page? India designers. Click add menu. First this select option, refresh here. Change your position. Change your position. Is it clear? This all will be home, about, interior designs and contact. Now how many menus are there? Done. This is already page. Click the page open for the interior designs page. First, suppose how to activate from the other pages. How to activate from the other pages. Now here architect page is there. Okay. Now select this page. Go to this. How to add the other website links. Now here same appearance in the menus. What is column is the customize link. Here copy this link. Select for architect. Select for architect. Add menu here. Change your position. Okay. Save menu. Now look this. Or that option will be K. Done. When somebody click for market, they redirect to the my website. They redirect to the my website. This is called redirection to the website also. Why you are redirection to the website is the generating for the backlinks purpose. Generating for the backlink purpose. Now what is that? Home, about us, inter design, arcade and contact us. Now very important thing is write down how to remove dates, tags, author name and etc. Date, tax, author name. How to disable for the dates, tax, and author name. Why? Because date showing for the tax will be called not active. Yes or no? Not for the good. So this is called I'm disable for these options. So go to the WordPress dashboard. In this option will be called appearance. Go to the customize. Go to the customize. In this content option will be called content option. Disable dates, disable category, disable tag, disable author. It's clear. I'm checking for four options. Now save and publish. Previous date and tags will be showing here. So now I will refresh. Done. Now will be done. See this. Yes or no? Is that clear? Now write down important question. How to add and remove widgets. How to add and remove widgets. Here widgets is there, test widgets and this will be there, the right column. No, not required for the my widgets. A blogger will be called gadgets. It will be called widgets. Here two options are there. One is the test widget and the search box is there. Just here, same option. Go to the appearance box. Okay. In this appearance box, will be go to the customize. Okay, and this one widgets. What is that? Widgets. Here, test area there. You can change for test area about my information. About my information. Okay. Next one, if it not required, you can remove also. Now search box. Search box will be not required. Search box is the not required. Add a widgets. Here different widgets are there. For suppose I'm adding for Facebook page. I'm adding for Facebook page. Here. I will guess here. What is that? Facebook page plugin. Okay. The pixel will be for 432 and 340 width and height pixels. Now show faces, show stream and show cover photos also like this. So for suppose I'm clicking for show stream. What are the previous postings? What are the previous posting will done here? They're showing for here also. See this. Yes or no? This all will be previous postings. For suppose I'm remove for this one. They're not showing for the posting, but I'm more showing for only for cover page and my like members. Save and publish. Now previous like this. Now refresh. Clear? It just be like sorry, here you will be test video there. Just right now. Here, save and publish. Now done. This is our page. Whenever like this one, like our page. This is our like our page. But suppose you check the visitor report. So per day, how many member visitor to my coming to my website? How to check the visitor report? Your website will be done. How to check the visitor report will be called just open for the WordPress.com. We already signed up the WordPress. Sign up for the WordPress.com. Yes or no? Now here. First WordPress.com here. How to open site also we can getting doubt from last first times. The reader for the all will be comment boxes. These all will be comment boxes here. Go to my site. Go to my site. Yeah, what is that? Site preview. Here showing for here. Click for this arrow. Open for the my site. Open for the my site. Here they showing for here the traffic inside. This is all your traffic. So free WordPress will be in default, analytics will be there. Analytics will be called checking for visitor reports. Checking for visitor reports. This all will be default one. Is it clear? This is for checking for that. Now in your WordPress, how to activate Webmaster? Please write down how to activate Webmaster. That is called google.com/webmasters. google.com/webmasters. Here click for sign in. You have to sign the asking for password here. Enter your password. Next. Done. Now just go to this, copy this WordPress link complete. Go to the webmaster here. What is that? Add a property. Copy this URL. Here two things are there. One is the website and Anchor apps. We will not work with the Anchor apps. You will be website. Click for add. Go to the archive method. What is that? HTML tag. Copy this tag. Go to the WordPress dashboard. Go to the WordPress dashboard. The option call is tools. The option call is tools. In the tools, in the optional will be called available tools. Option call is available tools. The available tools here. What is that? Google Webmaster link. Just copy this link, save changes. Copy this link, save changes. Now come to Webmaster here, verify. Click for verify. Done. Now click for continue. This is activated from the webmaster. Activate from the webmaster. Now, in our website, we adding for the social icons. Yes or no? Adding for social icon. What is that? Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus is there. I have added from social icons. How to add the social icon in your WordPress? So question is how to add social icon into the WordPress site. Here, when you click the Facebook, they open for the Facebook here. Yes or no? Facebook.com. It's not our page. I had to show for the my page here. Now in this one, go to the WordPress dashboard. The option called is appearance. In appearance, click for customize. In appearance, click for customize. In a customize, option call is menus. Here two menus are there. That appearance menu are there. Appearance go to customize and menu are also there. Now click for menu. What is that? Social links. Here, what is displaying for? Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus, GitHub, and this one. WordPress.com. No, it's not required. Remove. Not required. Remove. Suppose you're adding for custom link anything. Just go to here. Yeah, what is that? Custom link. You're typing for YouTube. Okay. Okay. This is my channel. Copy this channel and paste in here. Active menu. So how many minutes adding will be? 4. This is my Facebook. Okay. Now picture. Now will be Google Plus. Okay. This is Google Plus. Now we are adding for one more also. This is called LinkedIn. What is that? How many? 4 added here. Change the position here. YouTube, Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Same. Now, previous what is that? 4 will be there. Now refresh. Then with the 3. Here, very important thing is what is that? Here, very important thing is add this option. Automatic option. Now, save and publish. Now, previous will be showing for 3. Now refresh. Total 5. So options are selecting is very important. It's clear. Every social icon will be showing for footer. Based on themes, the icons will be showing. If you have customized, you can see showing for anywhere. Header and inline. Maximum we can show for header and footer. Both. Header and footer. So this is called adding for social icons. This is purely for adding your webmaster site. Now it's clear. This is purely for being for your WordPress website. So how will promotion will be called? Going on SEO.